Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this little DIY wishing tree with little family photos on it. We've got this for our wedding day and I think it would make the perfect addition to the evening reception because it's got lots of lovely little memories of us on there, and I just really love photography, so it's a lovely way to display some of my favourite pictures of us and the family. So if you'd like to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Okay, first off, you're going to have to find some pictures. So what I did is went onto my Instagram folder on my phone and just selected my favourites and then popped them in a separate folder on my phone just to keep them together and organised. In this collage, I did like over 50 pictures, so it's really good to get quite a few that you like and pop them in a folder. I then sent these over by email. I know, not the easiest way to do it, but I sent these over by email onto my laptop, saved them all into one folder there, and then I went on to picmonkey.com, which is a website that you can use for free, and I went on there and basically just selected their collage and I just uploaded all of my pictures. So it's so simple to use. You literally just hit select all or autofill and it will put all your pictures into the collage. Once you've done that, you need to export it to save them all as black and white. I've also pulled up the clarity and the sharpness because this really gives your picture the edge that you need. If it's not got quite the quality that you want, the sharpness and clarity tool will certainly give it that because it gives it a nice balance for contrast. I've then saved them down into my laptop and I'm just going to print them off onto A4 photo paper and making sure that I'm actually printing it in black and white so that I can save my ink. And then I printed 3 off. Now the next step, you need a pair of scissors, but ideally if you can get yourself a hold of a guillotine, it is so much easier and will definitely save you time. So I've just got a pair of scissors and I'm now cutting out all the little pictures that I've got, and all I need to do is just arrange these now on the tree. Now the tree that I've got is from a place called The Range. It was super affordable, I will link it for you. It was about £20 and it's really big as well, and not only that, but it's got gorgeous twinkly lights on it. So all I need to do now is just get myself a hot glue gun and some kind of string or ribbon, or in this case some diamante trim, which I picked up in Home Bargains and I really like the look of it, and I'm attaching them to my little photos which I'm going to be putting on random parts of the tree, just sort of scattered around like a lovely family tree. And after that it was pretty much simple, just therapeutic, popping on the little pictures. So that is it, that is the end of our little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you're having a wedding soon and you think this is a good idea, then I would love if you let me know in the comments, and if you're new, then I would love if you hit subscribe to stick around for more videos from me in the future. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this. I will see you soon. Bye!